Om Sai Ram. Happy Thursday to all. When Sai decides to bless you, he will cause situations to come together in your favor, no matter what others try to do. Sai says, "Remember me always in your heart. I have sowed the seed of faith. Develop patience. You will get all things if you pray with faith." In today's video, the story of Budi continues. The Janmer miracle. In the year 1904 to 1905, Nana Sahib Chindorkar was Mamlatadar at Jamner in the Khandesh district, which is more than 100 miles from Shirdi. His daughter, Manitai, was pregnant and was due to delivery. Her case was very serious and she was suffering from labor pains for past 2 or 3 days. Nana Sahib tried all remedies but in vain. He then remembered Baba and invoked his aid. There in Shirdi, one Ramgir Buwa, whom Baba called Babugir Buwa, was living for his native place in Khandesh. Baba called him and told him to stop at Janmer on his way home and give the Udi and Aarti to Nana Sahib. Ramgir Buwa said that he had only 2 rupees with him and this amount was barely sufficient for the railway fare up to Jalgaon, and it was not possible for him to go from Jalgaon to Jamner, a distance of about 30 miles. Baba assured him that he need not care as everything would be provided for. Then Baba asked Shama to write a well-known aarti composed by Madhav Atkar and gave a copy of it with Udi to Ramgir Buwa to be delivered to Nana Sahib. Then, relying on Baba's words, Ramgir Buwa left Shirdi and reached Jalgaon at about 2:45 am. He had only 2 annas left with him and he was in a plight. To his great relief, he heard somebody calling out, "Who is Babugir Buwa of Shirdi?" He went to him and told that he was Babugir Buwa. Then the person professing to be sent by Nana Sahib took him to an excellent tonga with a good pair of horses. They both drew in it. The tonga ran fast. Early in the morning, they came to a brooklet. The man took the horses for watering them and he asked Ramgir Buwa to partake of some eatables. Ramgir Buwa was hesitating to take the eatable, but the peon comforted him by saying that Nana Sahib had sent these refreshments and there should be no difficulty in acceptance. Then both of them took the refreshment and started again. They reached Janmer at dawn. Ramgir Buwa alighted to attend a call of nature and returned within a few minutes, but found that there was no tonga, no driver. He was dumbfounded. Then he went to the neighboring Kacheri and on making inquiries learned that the Mamlatadar was at home. He went to Nana Sahib's house and gave to Nana Sahib Baba's Udi and Aarti. At this time, Manitai's case was in most serious condition and all were in deep anxiety about her. Nana Sahib called out his wife and asked her to give the Udi mixed with water to their daughter to drink. He thought that Baba's help was most opportune. In a few minutes came the news that the delivery was safe and the crisis had passed away. When Ramgir Buwa thanked Nana Sahib for the peon, tonga and the refreshment etc., the latter was greatly surprised as he had sent none to the station and was not aware of any person coming from Shirdi. Then they realized that all this was Baba's wonderful Leela. Bow to Shri Sai, peace be to all. Subscribe my channel, do comment, like, share. Thank you.